Let x1, x2 and so on x10 be a random sample from variable distribution with the probability density function f of x comma theta as follows. For any positive integer v and any alpha belongs to 0 to 1, so let chi square v comma alpha denote the 1 minus alpha quantile of the central chi-square distribution with v degrees of freedom. Then the 90% confidence interval of theta is. So first of all, like we were given that x1, x2 and so on x10. So it's a random sample from, so we can see that this is a random sample from variable distribution. So that is having the PDF. So if we consider the PDF f of x comma theta as 3 theta x square e to the power minus theta x cube when x is greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. So theta is strictly greater than 0. So if I define like y is equals to some x cube here. So by using the transformation probability of y less than or equal to y, so that is equals to probability of x less than or equal to y to the power 1 by 3, and that is nothing but 1 minus e to the power minus theta y. So that means this y is following exponential theta, so that means this xi cube is following exponential with theta parameter. So now like if we consider the distribution of this sum, I is equals to 1 to 10 xi cube. So this thing, so we have like 2 theta into s. This follows chi square 2n degrees of freedom. So that means this follows chi square with 20 degrees of freedom. So that means 100 1 minus alpha confidence interval for theta would be probability of chi square 20 comma alpha by 2 less than or equal to 2 theta s is less than or equal to chi square 20 comma 1 minus alpha by 2, which is nothing but 1 minus alpha. So if we divide throughout by 2s, so we have probability of this chi square 20 comma alpha by 2 times summation xi cube is less than or equal to s less than or equal to chi square 20 comma 1 minus alpha by 2 times summation xi cube. So this will be 1 minus alpha. So we are asked to find 90% confidence interval. So that means alpha is equals to 0.10. So the interval will be chi square 20 comma 0.05 divided by 2 times summation I is equals to 1 to 10 xi cube comma chi square 20 comma 0.95 divided by 2 times summation I is equals to 1 to 10 xi cube. So that means like this is matching with option A. So therefore option A is the correct answer.